Hey there, welcome to the video. Now, if you've been thinking about making money online, then you're in the right place. And if you're already familiar with this channel, you know how much I love talking about creating simple books on Amazon KDP that can turn into fantastic streams of passive income. Now, today I'm going to be diving into something that's been exploding in popularity, and that is the bold and easy coloring book niche. Now, I've made multiple videos on this niche in my channel before, so feel free to watch those videos at the end of this one. But today, I'm not just going to talk about why this niche is trending. I'm going to show you exactly how you can cash in on it too. In fact, I'm going to show you a publisher who's making over $37,000 per month from their bold and easy coloring books. That's right, $37,000 per month. And then I'm going to break down exactly how they're doing it, and more importantly, how you can do it too. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds interesting to you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this niche on Amazon. So I've searched bold and easy coloring book, and I have some data here that if you're not familiar with, this is called Titan's Quick View. It's a free extension that you can download from the Chrome Web Store. Basically just gives you a lot more data that's going to be useful when it comes to publishing KDP books. So it gives you things like a niche score using their own algorithm, the exact total results, because if you notice, this says 8,945. This says over 8,000. This is the Amazon one right here. And it gives you a lot more information. Average bestsellers rank on the first page, average reviews, average price, the exact match for books that are popping up on the first page using this keyword, and then how many books are independently published, also known as how many books are KDP books. But if we take a little scroll down the first page, we're going to see a lot of books here that have this square size. Now, this is the typical 8.5 by 8.5 inch size for this bold and easy coloring book. But as you can see, if you're just looking around, you see bestseller here, bestseller here, bestseller, bestseller. And the other plugin that I'm using also gives me a quick glance at the BSRs, or the bestsellers rank. And as you know, with Amazon, the lower your number or the closer it is to number one, the better performing that book is, the more money that it's making, the more royalties that you're getting paid. And so as you see, these books are selling very, very well. They're in the top 500. I mean, you have this one in the top 100. You have two books here in the top 200. And if you're familiar with these books, basically what you see on the cover is what you're going to see on the interior, just not colored in. And so this is a very simple book to make. Even if you had to hire someone to create this type of book, it is well worth it, because I'm going to show you how publishers in this niche are actually selling these books. Now, at a glance, in general, the bold and easy coloring book niche is well saturated. And what I mean by saturated is that there's already a lot of competition here for this bold and easy coloring book. So if you were going to make a book and then title it bold and easy coloring book, well, you're probably going to have a hard time trying to get your book seen and possibly ranked on the first page here of Amazon, because, well, there's over 8,000 competitors that you have to compete with. And so, you know, with my videos, I like to look for search results that have about 1,000 or less, because it's just going to give you a better chance at getting your book seen. And it just means that there's less competitors. I also like to look for a niche score of at least 50. So this one's showing 76, still really high. And as we have seen, a lot of books here ranking very, very low. I typically like to look for books with a BSR of 300,000 and below. And I'm just seeing a bunch of books here that have really, really low rankings. And so a better idea, if you want to get into this niche, is to do something called niching down, or finding a sub niche. Basically means finding something more specific within the bold and easy coloring book. And so I've actually done the work for you. So this is the food and snacks bold and easy coloring book niche. As we can see, 519 results. So that's well below that 1,000 or so that I look for. So basically, if you were going to make a book and title it Food and Snacks Bold and Easy Coloring Book, and your book is going to be about food and snacks, well, you're gonna have a better chance at ranking your book on the first page of Amazon and being seen and hopefully being sold. We can see something interesting here. The total amount of exact matches is actually 0. That just means that if it is correct, that you could probably take advantage of this and make a book with this exact title. Now, how many books are independently published? We see 15 here on the first page. We have the average bestsellers rank at 177,000. So that's actually very good. And then the average price at $8.49 and the niche score of 66. So that's above the 50 that I look for. Everything's looking good here. Let's look at some of these books. This one right here, Food and Snacks Coloring Book, Bold and Easy, with a BSR of 1,658. So this book is selling well. This is a well-known publisher in this space, especially for these types of books. I have covered this publisher before. So if you want to watch that, the video is on my channel. So feel free to go ahead and watch that after this video. We have this one right here, Food, Drinks, and Sweets, with the bestsellers badge, ranked at 334. This is also a very well-known publisher in this space. And then we have this one right here, Snacks and Food, Bold and Easy. So this one right here ranked at 33,000 by this publisher right here. So this book is selling very, very well, and it has a 5 out of 5 rating. This book, 18,303 ranking, 31,000, 19,000, 35,000, 149,000, 30,000, 83,000, 269,000, 393,000, 43,000, 265,000. Pretty much every single book on the first page here is satisfying that 300,000 or below BSR rank that I look for. So for me, I know there's a lot of demand, there's low competition, and the niche score is just validating that. It's just signaling that there's a lot of potential for profits here. And this is a place where I would probably make a book for this niche and probably take advantage of this title right here. And so if you want to do that before I get started, feel free to do that because it's all fair game. I'm not the type of person to gatekeep. I'm not the type of person to hide these niches. I'm just showing you what you can do because I want you to make money online. Now, if we take a look at this book, this has a BSR of 30,583 with a price point of $9.99. So this is actually nice to see because the royalties on this book is going to be closer to about $4 per sale. And your typical Bold and Easy book, I mean, this one has 5 out of 5 rating, just published recently. And if we plug that BSR into the book sales calculator, we're going to see $38 per day and over $1,100 per month from a very simple book. This is the sample. So here is the cover. You basically take your interiors that's colored in, you paste it on your cover with some nice font here. And then as you can see, this is one of the interiors. This is a cinnamon roll and then a couple more pages right here. It is a very simple type of coloring book, but they do very, very well. And I'm going to show you exactly why they do very well in a moment. Now, if we take it a step further and actually look at this publisher, we're going to see that this publisher has 11 books and all of these books are Bold and Easy coloring books. So this is the one that we were looking at right here. But as you can see, they have Bold and Easy coloring books in all types of niches. They have one here, Cozy Holidays, Cozy Season, Just Girly Things, Cute Fairy Tale, Animals and Costumes, Holiday Treats, The Wild West, Snacks and Food, Summer Days, and then Back to School. So as you can see, yes, the Bold and Easy coloring book niche is saturated. However, look at these niches. And the thing with this niche is that you can make new niches, and I'm going to show you exactly why you can make new niches, and they can take off. And so there's a lot of opportunity here for the Bold and Easy coloring book niche. But if we were to go ahead and just look at how much this publisher is making off of these 11 books. So as you can see, the BSRs of this book, this one's 1,000, 3,000, 3,000, 13,000 for this one, 8,000, 18,000, 32,000 BSR, 31,000, 33,000, 27,000, and 80,000. Well, I put all of these in a spreadsheet and I've done all the calculations and all the research, and I'm going to show you exactly how much they're making. So here are all the 11 books with all their BSRs. They all have the same price point and the same amount of pages. And so as you can see, they're profiting about $3.84, almost $4 per book. And if you add in the royalties, as you can see, there's one book right here, their bestseller, making over $12,000 per month. And as you can see, just $6,000, $6,000, $2,000, $3,000, $1,000. It all equates to over $37,000 per month. And then if you calculate that into just days, that's over $1,200 per day. So this is the type of insane income that you can make with Amazon KDP once you find a niche and you just start producing books. And I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing this and how they're making this much money. But I'm not saying everyone can do this. I'm just showing you that yes, it is actually possible. Now, if we go back to her Author Central and read this part right here about the author, well, you're going to see right here where it says, make sure you go check out my TikTok where I go live at least 6 days a week. So this is how she's selling these books, is by using social media to do all the selling. And I'm going to show you how you can do this without even showing your face. And it's going to be an easy way that you can get eyeballs onto your books and not rely solely on Amazon for all your sales. And especially if just 1 or 2 of your videos go viral, well, that's really all you need when it comes to social media. So here is the TikTok account. And as you can see, all of these videos right here where she's just coloring in her book. And you notice 100,000 views, 200,000 views, 80,000 views, 177,000 views. So this is a very easy way to get your book sold by using the power of TikTok, of Instagram, of Facebook, of YouTube Shorts. As you can see with this video right here, you're going to see that she's just flipping through it and she's going to show you the interiors of her book. So this allows the customer to basically see the book before they purchase it, and then they can see exactly how it would turn out after they're done coloring. And so as you can see, it's just her hand. So if you wanted to do this, you could just get your book and then color it without you showing your face. And it's only going to take a little bit of time here and there. Here's another video that has over 130,000 views. And as you can see, she's basically going to color it in. Once you create this type of book, color it in and then upload the videos onto, let's say, TikTok. And you could also do it on Instagram, on Facebook, and all those major social media sites. And it's going to be able to generate you free traffic. Now, if we go to her link in her bio here, we're going to see that this is where she links all of her coloring books. So as you can see here are all of them right here. So if you click on one of them, let's do the Snacks and Food Volume 2. There it is on Amazon. Now, I actually made a video on how to create a bold and easy coloring book using AI. So if you want to watch that, go ahead and click on the card up at top. Now, another way to create this type of book that might even be a little bit better than using AI would be to hire someone. It does cost a little bit of money, but if you go to a site like Fiverr and make a search for bold and easy coloring, you're going to see all of these results, all of these gigs, and they're going to do exactly what you need them to do, create a bold and easy coloring book. So I was looking at this one right here. It says, I will design eye-catching bold and easy coloring book covers for Amazon KDP. And as you can see, this is the type of quality that this person can do. But I was looking at the pricing. So for the basic, which is one hand-drawn book cover design, $40. But if you go up to premium, this is a full book. This is one hand-drawn book cover design with 35 hand-drawn coloring pages. Yes, it does cost a little bit of money at $250, but if you noticed and if you remember how much these books are making, this is going to be well worth the cost. And we have another gig right here that will start at $5. So for $5, they'll give you one character or simple background book cover or page. The standard is $10. So this is a medium book cover. And then a complex book cover or page is $15. So for this type of book, you could do basic at $5. And if you just do the math, let's say you need 35 pages times $5. Well, that's a little bit cheaper than the $250 from the other gig. So it's really about doing research and finding someone here that can create the book for you, but that is not going to break the bank. Now, if you're looking for more KDP resources to help you along your journey, don't forget to check the links down below, as well as my Gumroad shop for keywords, interiors, and more. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell, as well as follow me on all my socials at JeffSetLife. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.